Today we would like to introduce you to a story that has lasted for more than 2 decades. A story about completely natural products, dedication to quality, control of every step of the production process, and the desire to offer people a simple way to support their bodies every day. We are Second Chance, company owned by family named, that has been producing products based on green spelt juice for more than 20 years.
At a time when health, natural products, and quality nutrition are discussed more than ever, one question is often asked: how do you recognize a product that is truly backed by experience, knowledge, and responsibility? For us, the answer begins long before the product reaches the customer. It begins with the plant. Spelt, also known as Triticum spelta, is one of the oldest cultivated grains in the world. Its history dates back thousands of years, and many consider it one of the most valuable plants ever used by mankind. However, what is particularly important is that we do not use the spelt grain. We use the young green leaf of spelt at the stage when the plant contains the highest concentration of numerous valuable nutrients. It is from this young leaf that green spelt juice is obtained, the foundation of all of our products. But the quality of a product does not depend solely on the plant. It also depends on the way the plant is cultivated. That is why we pay great attention to every stage of the production process. In the past, spelt was cultivated exclusively in soil. However, by following modern production trends and responding to the growing challenges caused by environmental pollution, we decided to transition our production to a hydroponic cultivation system.
Hydroponic cultivation provides complete control over the conditions in which the plant grows. Water, light, temperature, and other important factors influencing the plant development are carefully monitored. This creates stable production conditions throughout the entire year. The plants grow without contact with soil in a carefully controlled environment, ensuring a high level of consistency and quality. Once the plant reaches its optimal stage of development, harvesting begins. Harvesting takes place when the young leaf reaches its highest nutritional potential. After harvesting, one of the most important stages of the entire process begins. The plant is immediately transported for processing. The time between harvesting and processing is reduced to a minimum in order to preserve the plant's natural properties.
The next step is juicing. The fresh young spelt leaves undergo a cold pressing process that produces pure green spelt juice. The step is of exceptional importance because the juice represents the most valuable part of the plant that continues through the production process. After pressing, the juice undergoes a carefully controlled processing procedure.
This is followed by quality analysis, production control, and every necessary procedure required to maintain the highest product standards. Special attention is devoted to preserving the natural characteristics of the juice. For this reason, we use the freeze-drying process. Interestingly, this technology was further advanced by Naša, which has been using it for decades to prepare food for astronauts during space missions. Thanks to its ability to preserve the nutritional value and quality of products, freeze-drying is now considered one of the most highly regarded processes in the production of nutritionally valuable products. Once the freeze-drying process is completed, a fine green spelt juice powder is obtained. This powder forms the foundation of our products. In this way, customers receive a practical product that requires no preparation while preserving the benefits of green spelt juice.
But why green spelt juice? The answer lays in the natural rich composition. Young spelt leaves naturally contain numerous valuable nutrients. This includes B complex vitamins, vitamin A, C, E, and K, minerals such as magnesium, potassium, and calcium, trace elements including iron, zinc, and selenium, as well as chlorophyll, enzymes, antioxidant compounds, and omega-3 fatty acids. Many users choose spelled products as part of their daily routine to support energy, vitality, nutritional balance, and the body overall well-being. They are especially popular among people with active lifestyle, demanding daily shuttles, stressful periods, or anyone who simply wants to dedicate more attention to their health. Precisely because everyone has different needs, we have developed 3 different formulas.
The first formula is Sparta Life Light. Sparta Life Light is a middle formula designed for everyday preventive nutritional support. It is particularly suitable for people who are using spelled products for the first time, for families, for anyone looking for a simple and gentle introduction. Thanks to its formula, it's also suitable for children when used as recommended and under adult supervision. The second formula is Sparta Life Balance. Balance is our most popular product and represents the perfect balance between daily prevention and additional nutritional support. It is intended for individuals who want to support their energy, vitality, immune system, and overall nutritional balance. For many users, balance is the ideal choice for everyday users. The third formula is Sparta Life Max. Max is our premium formula, designed for people who expect more from themselves every day. It is intended for a period of increased physical or mental efforts, demanding responsibilities, stress, and a fast-paced lifestyle. It is ideal choice for those who are seeking nutritional support when the body increase needs.
Whatever you choose, light, balance, or max, the foundation remains the same. Freeze-dried green spelt juice produced through a carefully controlled processing stage, from cultivating the plant all the way of the finished product. For more than 20 years, our mission has remained unchanged. The combine nature, knowledge, and the modern technology in order to offer people a product we proudly stand behind with our name. Because we believe that trust is not built through advertising. Trust is built through quality, consistency, and responsibility toward every customer.